Hi, good morning, this is Big D here, Flapjack and Beans, welcome back to the channel. And today we're on the mighty Spyder. Here she is, the Red Baron, or the Baroness. So we're not too familiar with her yet, but we're going to see how we go today. Catch you later. Well, would you believe it, it's just started to bloody rain as usual. I don't know, every time I come out for a fucking ride it rains. Anyhow, I have to bag up, I've got my jeans on. Lovely. Anyhow, let's get to workshop, see what happens first. Why does it have to bloody rain all the time in this goddamn country? I don't know. Anyway, enough moaning. Let's carry on. We've not been on Canamint wet yet anyway. Got to get some gas in her. Fuel up. Time to fuel up. Again. What we got? What temperature are we at? 83 Fahrenheit, whatever that is. I can't change it, that's one thing that's really annoying me about this. I've worked myself into Celsius after all these years of trying, and now I got a bloody vehicle, it's got bloody Fahrenheit on it because it's American, or Canadian American, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, it's 83 Fahrenheit, whatever that means, no idea. Yeah, so here we are where we meet up at Starbucks at Workshop. Lovely Starbucks. Rip-off place. I mean, I don't know if I can charge so much for coffee, but you take two options, don't you? You either go and buy it or you don't, and I have to go and buy it because it's where we meet. But there's some guys meet outside and all like that, where I can't be doing all that stood about waiting and all that business. I love this reverse gear. It's a really excellent thing to have. This plonk. You just go like that little plonk, you're in gear, and off you go backwards. How good is that? How far back we can go. A bit further, I think. That's it there, I think. Brake on. Yeah, somebody asked me to show them around the Spyder. So while I've got you here, I've got my phone, look, which is linked to my camera, so I touch that to start and stop. There you can see we've done 194 miles on the machine so far, that's all. I don't know how to reset that. That you can alter that, and then if you come on here then, you go on here, you press that there, look, you've got all your, you put Apple CarPlay on if I'm connected. I don't think I'm connected. No, I ain't connected. You have to connect it to your USB there. But you've got all your vehicle information. You can have your media on. You can have whatever. Yeah. I'll show you a bit more detail about it as I get used to it. Down this side here, I've got my windscreen look, which brings that up. So you can put your windscreen up, or you can put your windscreen down, like that. Which I choose to ride with it just about this. I always look over the windscreen, not through it. I've got my heated seats, I've got my heated grips. This side here you've got your cruise control, you've got your hazards, your start and stop, your electronic parking brake, which that gives you a bollocking if you don't turn it off. It gives you a bollocking. This side here I've got my gear change, look, semi-automatic, upshifts there, downshifts around the back there, there's a other lever there, look. But it downshifts automatically, but it doesn't upshift automatically. You've got your horn, you've got your, this here, you press that, look, and it takes you onto there so you can have different settings, eco or normal mode. You've got, that's to talk to Siri if you want to talk to Siri. It's quite well thought out actually, I'm getting used to it a bit more now. But anyway, I'm going to go and get a coffee. So here we are, Flapjack and Beans back on channel. We've just been for a little ride with this gang here, look, there they are, look. And now I'm wenting home because I've got some important business to do. But we'll have a little film up way home on the Spyder, on the mighty Red Baron. So, see you, Mo. See you, lads. Ah, the mighty Spyder, the mighty Red Baron. Let's have a bit of music on. Here we are in rainy Thorn on the Spyder. Somebody asked me to show up dash. That's the dash. Not that you can see that as we go in. I'll try and show it you. Oh, there's more bloody traffic lights. Well, that was Thorn, and it's finally stopped raining, so that's a good news. So here we are, continuing on the Spyder, the little Spyder rider. 30 mile an hour here, but slow it down just a little bit. Oh, I'm glad it stopped bloody raining on me anyway. So, what's the world coming to? Some poor buggers were stabbed in Germany last night here, which is very nice, is it? I don't know why all this stabbing's going on all the time. What's up with everybody? I don't know. Anyway. So we've got 14 minutes to home on the Spyder. Just to report in, it's a vehicle that I don't know whether I'm going to love it or hate it yet. I still don't know. I just can't quite make my mind up. I've got to stop comparing it to a motorcycle, and I've got to think what state my body's in at the moment, which is a bit knackered on my legs. Riding it though, I've got a lot of pain, just like how on a motorbike, but the difference with this, as I keep saying, I haven't got to put my feet on the ground like I'm sat on it now. It's running and no feet on the ground, but it's a lovely little thing, and it's an expensive little item to play around with, but I quite enjoy it, and then I don't enjoy it. It's ever so strange to come up with an answer really. But I'm only 300 mile in, so maybe they all say about 1,000 mile and you're loving it. Today didn't help with a wet ride, but riding with a group of motorcyclists and this, I don't think that works too good. Although I don't think it works too bad, but it depends what the people are. But I don't want to be holding anybody up, so I'm coming home part-time now to see my wife, who's a bit poorly at the moment, so we'll see how we go anyway. Keep on. Watch it through here, there's always a speed camera down here. 30 mile an hour. Just put the old cruise on, that's what I do. Just put the old cruise on. Cruise on. This is old water, good old water. Looks like it's had some rain too.